These bitches flex with brands. I flex with lines, bitch.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Well, go on, bless up first and foremost. Wull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if for your first time over here, so as we pray. Anyways, as you can see, we are going to talk about where the description of the video say. As you mean, Shenseea make the post a nice post on a nice piece of land. Is me not looking so bad at all. However, the description where she write was feels good to stand on what I own. So yeah, people should buy a nice piece of land and make that post here too.
These bitches flex with brands. I flex with lines.
Yeah man, so congratulations to Shenseea. I don't know the vibes, can't do music for nothing at all, don't it? Yeah, so Amari herself, when I don't know, she's an ex-load of problem right now. So as you can see, she have it for sell lava at a tour for over 15 minutes and one bag of something.
You should tell your side of the story and not have them drag your name out there like that, you know?
Well, you can call me when I come off the show. Not call please, because although I have many folks.
So, all right, I won't interrupt you.
Yeah, the calls interrupt the shows and the uploads and everything, and it's a whole lot of things going on. But if you could kindly text me.
I feel like I was over on the Dwayne's show. Dwayne and I have been friends for a long time. I'm not really into the live, but somebody told me I had to see it, and I was like, Amari, because this was news to me. You know, this is a person that's been in my wedding, my family, my kids. So he's saying no, but for some reason when I watched it, when the person sent it to me and I watched it, I looked in your eyes and I seen you weren't lying.
It's a lot of things going on, but I'm not here to bring down anyone. I just kept.
No, I believe you.
Yeah, I'm just about my career right now because the last thing I want him to lose is woman because of me. The truth is, I've never slept with Lava and will never sleep with Lava. But Lava had me and him playing the game. It's supposed to be acting.
Yes, he was flirting.
You understand? He always flirts, talking about hoo, and you understand, my body look good, blah, blah, blah. He's always leading me on. You get what I'm saying?
I saw him looking in your eyes on when you and him talking, and we saw the chemistry. So I'm not going to say...
The chemistry is there. Even when he was talking to me last night on the phone, he changed his voice to a sexy, cool, calm voice.
Listen, he called me on his live and he wanted me to, speak up his character. I can speak up the character that I know, but I said I would not speak for him.
But let me tell you, I'm not gonna put you down. I've never had sex with Lava because if I'm gonna have intercourse with someone, they gotta have some air on their head. Excuse me. You understand? Plus, I don't like men who don't have no air on their head and covering their head with at all the time. And if you're gonna have all these women, it's all these women, and and I'm sure. Let me tell you, first of all, if I'm on phone with Lava and you're going to tell me, Nikki Blacks is on the phone, hold on, and never come back, that shows that you don't respect me. You understand? So I don't know why I would sleep with a man who don't think that, I got Amari on the phone, so Nikki Blacks got to call back. You get what I'm saying? So I know that I'm not as important as I may have thought to am.
We grew up together, so I can honestly tell you, it's very hard.
He's a slickster. Imagine 20,000 people on your page. Imagine 20,000 people on your page twice per week. You do the calculation if each of those people give you $1.
So it was just business. You had him decide to do business.
No, it's more than business. Lava is supposed to manage me.
Okay.
Lava is supposed to manage my career. Lava is supposed to be that person that cheers me on. He's the one who tell me, come out with a song now, hold back, attack this one, attack that one, okay, hold back. Why the fuck you gonna be like an umpire? An umpire and playing the two sides. spirit, I would have been crushed today, totally called. God woke me up this morning, and the Lord said to me, Amari, they want to come out with a song. So they're pulling you, bothering you to come out with a song so that they can jump on it right away. And then before you know it, everybody's an artist. No, they're not trying. That's what they're aiming for right now as we speak.
All right then. So, but the thing about it is, you have all of the followers come from me there on your page. I have no followers me see you with. And the last time me clicking on your page, you were engaged. So when I saw this and them I say you're on lava sleep, I was like, no, she on lava.
No. Me and Lava don't sleep, but me and Lava be running those games all along. Those jokes to entertain. But he tells me, he told me that, he tells me that in a couple of weeks, that's gonna run out. So we gotta come up with something new. So I asked him, what should I come up with? He want me to spend all my life attacking. Why the fuck you want me to attack a lesbian night and day? When I came from Africa, I came back as a Muslim, and I came back with peace. And you just want me to be warring with lesbians and all kind of different type of people. Why you want me to do that when I supposed to come back from Africa with the peace beyond understanding? My fiance is supposed to come online and see me and see the woman that he met in Africa. Why are you bringing out the past? No, but thank God that how they can't really F me when it comes to my fiance, because my fiance hardly speak a lot of English. You get what I'm saying?
So he doesn't understand, so that kind of save you.
So that, and not only that, my fiance is a man of God. That's my Michael. Yeah, I have to clear my name because it hurts when you tell me that you must do this acting thing. And Amari, you're so talented, you're so gifted. Okay, let's keep up this acting thing for a couple of weeks, only to find out that while he's in court, he was speaking all truth. And I'm like, but what happened to the acting? I expect for him to be in the court and for him to... Yeah, I expect him to trip like every now and then and said, oh, yeah, I know her house. Yeah, I know her number. But he's speaking the truth all the way while you telling me to say a lie and call it acting. And all that is true. All that is true. So why you tell me to act the part? You understand? I can show you the text last night where I said to him, I got you. I'm good at this. No. He pays all these people to dog me. I'm pretty done came out yesterday, and she said that while Lava is telling me how my body look good and to show my body on the internet, Lava actually go to Pretty Done and laugh at me and say, oh, my bottle is like Irish moss in a bottle. You understand? How can you be so hypocritical and you know that I'm a mother, 13 kids, and you know that I'm engaged? And not only that, Lava used me to... let me tell you how much he's a user. Lava used me... Lava uses me to promote Vibes Cartel music, and that's fucked up right there. Because when you tell me to come on and I look sexy, and you tell me, okay, dance, guess what he do? He draw for a Vibes Cartel song. Shouldn't you draw for an Amari song? So why the fuck y'all using me all the way like that? So you use me to promote Vybz Cartel music. Have Vybz Cartel ever given me $1? Can I call Shorty and tell her my kids need food to eat? So do I care a fuck?
You can tell them to cease and desist. Once you tell somebody to cease and desist, they can.
I'm gonna do that. They gonna leave my name alone. You understand? All these fucking people just using me. Have you ever on your fucking show, on my show, he mess up my name because he don't want nobody to follow me? Have you ever on your fucking show say, people follow on Amari _ DJ Mona Lisa _ official? No, you never do that.
Because it's a business move.
It's a business move. So my fans come over there within last week alone. He was like barely making it on YouTube, and within last week alone, I'm at 50,000 at YouTube, and he's coming up right behind me with my own fucking fans.
Well, if you fund them, but you do it the legal way, you should have do a contract.
No, I was just thinking of entertaining 20,000 Jamaicans in UK, in USA. It's COVID time, and I just think about making the people fucking happy because the time is very depressive.
I thought it was at first. I thought it was a joke.
Joke?
It was a joke, and you were gonna come on with
No, he never invited me. How can you have a court and don't invite me?
Well, here what Amari. We'll go back over there now. I have a start out your thing and tell
No, I'm never ever gonna go on that show. No. He already owe me a lot of money. All that money you collect, you ain't give me nothing.
Said another year the $1,100 then.
No, Amari has her own money. Even those things.
You hear me say, oh, Amari forget the $1,100.
No, I say all those things to make him look good. All those, if you notice, I bill him up when I'm acting. I be like, my man, give me $1,100, blah, 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 blah. Lava never give me $1. Never. I say Lava. When he called me the other day, I say Lava. I changed my clothes 3 times the other 19-year show. Clothes that I had prepared for something else. I say, you should have sent something to my Cash App.
So when yeah, they should have.
He say he don't pay nobody. And yet Pretty Donnie's bragging how much he's getting paid. All of them get paid.
So everybody that's on the payroll.
Everybody's on the payroll. Lawyer, everybody on the fucking payroll. The fool in the mix is Amari. That they sit down and plan that we gonna get her over there, and then you jump on her, you jump on her, you jump on her. She gonna bring her goodies over here. We gonna collect. We gonna have more people. She gonna have to prove herself. Blah blah blah.
So everybody page go up and everybody likes them.
Everybody page going up, likes going up. They're getting ready to put out songs to dog Amari and all that.
Hey, Amari, there's one thing to tell you, you know. Girl, you can't act.
That was good acting, right?
Amari, that was good acting. But now I lie to you. Me looking at your eye, you make me bring me back to when a man did have me on the side.
Oh, yeah, because I've been practicing acting.
You have me cook my curry chicken today and make me nail it. Me have to say no to blood clip. I have to go for, you know, I'm going to go for a live alive.
Yeah, I was like, why would you do that to me? Huh?
Oh, Amari. But now I lie. You want to do it?
What?
That was
No, he's so fucking stupid.